Tourism decline in the U.S. and growing American interest in moving abroad over the past 2 decades. Travel warnings have commonly been issued for countries deemed unsafe for tourists. However, it's now the United States facing advisories from countries like Canada, the UK, France, Germany, and others. This shift has surprised many, especially those who grew up in the US and are familiar with the concerns around safety at home. International tourism to the US has declined sharply in early 2025. Canada has seen up to 30% fewer visitors entering the US, with similar drops from Europe and Mexico. Some countries have even canceled flights or offered heavy discounts to encourage travel to the US. The reasons behind this range from high living costs, safety concerns, and political tensions to reports of foreign travelers being detained at the border. Interestingly, while fewer people are visiting the US, more Americans than ever are thinking about leaving. A recent study shows that around 40% of Americans have considered or are planning to move abroad. The top reasons include the high cost of living, dissatisfaction with political leadership, and a desire for a better quality of life. Gen Z and millennials are leading this trend, with over 60% of Gen Z expressing interest in relocating. Popular destinations include Canada, the UK, Australia, France, and Germany. However, moving isn't simple. Many countries require work permits, retirement plans, or proof of income. Despite these hurdles, relocation services are seeing a spike in demand, especially from professionals, families, and retirees. This dual shift, declining inbound tourism and rising outbound migration, could have serious long-term impacts on the U.S. economy, including lost revenue and reduced global influence. There is also growing concern about how these changes might affect the strength and privileges of the U.S. passport in the future. As this trend develops, it highlights deeper concerns among both global travelers and U.S. citizens about safety, affordability, and long-term stability.